Hello, I'm Kelley, and I made a project based on the the based on the thing that I found on Coded Minds. So I added more options to the Turtle Console control project, and this is my this is the options I added. And the snowflake is an example for one of the options. During the class, I learned about changing the color, the background color, input and functions, which I used in my project. And for the changing the color of the background, I listed many options of color, and you can just comment the color you want the background to be. And then there is a picture showing like how that works. And the second one is the function. I use functions to separate the code and run the code only when the function was called. And below is a snowflake function. And this is my code that I use to set it up. And this one is a function I use to change the background color, and this one is to erase the function in the canvas. I can just show it. Mm, Okay. My favorite part about working on this project was using the conditionals to check the user's choice. This is an example. And if I were to continue to work on this project, I would add more choices, and I would make meant that the users could just type in the colors they want instead of choosing the colors, like choosing the options. And then if I were continue to work on this project, I would also make random colors. Like I would randomly change the color of the background. And thank you.